stylish video by doing your nail. And also I'll show you a cool thing to make dots all over your hands right here. But aside for this video, we're going to use this color, pink. Now we're going to put it right here. I'm going to do it right there.
You're going to spill it, put it down.
So now we're going to do the dots, and the dots are going to be colored this color. So we have a dotty tool like this, then it moves like this. Then also it goes all the way down.
It gives you the illusion that it's moving, right? Remember we learned about it at the museum. All right.
And also
All
it
right, go ahead and dot.
move.
Go.
These are going to be little grapes.
Show Daddy your fingers. So let him get a close up. Go like this. Show. Put it down so you can see. All right. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm going to leave this one like there. Now we're going to do dots right here.
And it doesn't have to be perfect, right?
Yeah.
Practice makes perfect. So keep trying. Great job. Can you talk to your friends while you're doing that so they can?
We have to be very quiet in this one.
Why is it an ASMR video now?
It's going to be super quiet. Read this. Okay, we're purple. Grapes.
They're little grapes. Oops. Just wipe it. There you go. All right.
That's
Do you want me to do the other hand for you?
We're going to first wait for this one to dry.
Okay. What are we going to do while we wait for it to dry?
We're going to just wait.
Okay. Do you want to talk to us?
Yeah.
Talk to your friends?
So in the overside, we're going to do glitter and clear coat.
Do you want me to help you with that?
No, I think 5 hours later. Poo-poo.
Talk to the camera.
So we're gonna grab this, then put it in. So we're gonna take this out. We're gonna leave it with my mommy.
Polish your nails.
Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here, and actually, I'm gonna do this. Okay, a little bit glitter on it for it to be pretty and glittery. And in the end, we're gonna do my other hand. And also in the other end, we're gonna do this. $60 later.
There you go. It's ready. It's ready.
60. No, we're gonna do that in the end at the other finger.
It is the end.
No, it's not the end yet. So we're gonna get this color. Now we're gonna open it up. We're gonna use a little clear coat. Put the clear coat on.
Do you want me to help you with your other hand since the other hand is wet?
It doesn't feel wet.
Let me help you open it. You're gonna mess up your nails.
There we go.
They're all jacked up. Great color combinations, Mama. Now, are you gonna do purple grapes on that one too? Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna make a different fruit.
Okay.
So we're gonna take out yellow and do banana. So we could do the fruits now. Then this side is a little dirty. Then after, in the end, we're going to do a magical show. And this magical show is going to be so much fun. Because this magical show is going to be my mom's nails. So, I'm going to have yellow. Why is it taking long? So now we're going to grab a different one. So let's get those. Yeah, the white one will be super cute. So I'm going to grab this.
What you have to put in this hand. Keep your nails open because you're going to mess them up. That's so easy, huh?
It's hard. How does this? You put a little bit more yellow?
Sure.
Maybe.
There. Hurry up.
Cute banana.
It's a little banana.
A little bit more. And now it's the magic show time. So
Are you going to put a clear coat on it?
Okay, I'm going to put the clear coat on yours.
No. Other hand.
Oopsies.
Tell them what you're doing.
So we're putting the clear coat on like this. And keep a like and subscribe. And all my videos are on Cardoza family, and we're family and we do video families. And also or videos every single day. And brush our teeth all the time like we do, because we don't want sugar bugs coming in our mouth. Only be like tasty bugs, because tasty bugs let you eat, because if you scratch them off, your food tastes like paper. And that's all on my nails.